Ooh, okay. No, I can't do it. I rarely use, you see what I did there? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia, and in today's video, I'm actually putting on makeup. It's been a long time since I've done a beauty video, but today I'm going to be talking about Rare Beauty, which is the new collection from Selena Gomez. If you're in the dark, this is the first time you're hearing of it, but if you're not, I'm sure you guys have heard a lot about it. I did receive the products that I am using in today's video in PR, but that did not sway me from sharing my true feelings. Now, right off the bat, I'm just gonna let you guys know, I did not love or am obsessed with every single thing that's inside of this collection. You guys will figure that out as the video progresses. It's not like I'm taking a dump on it or anything like that. I'm just telling you guys like the truth. You're my girlfriends, right? Like we're like right here. At least we're supposed to be. I keep it real with you guys and you guys know it, and hopefully that's why you guys continue to come back. Before we get started though, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already joined my family, and let's get started. The first thing I did was apply some moisturizer because in this collection there is no moisturizer and I believe no eyeshadow. First up, we're going to be priming the face, and this is the Illuminating Primer. The primer is $26. Doesn't really have a scent, which is nice because I don't like putting stuff in my face that's too perfumey. It's super hydrating. My skin is dry as a bone, so I need all the moisture I can get. Ooh, okay. Next up, I'm going to be using the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. This is $29, and I received 3 different shades, so I'm hoping we can find my perfect match really easily. It says shake before use, and it's available in 48 shades. Kind of reminds me of that Urban Decay foundation that you have to shake up. I really like the packaging. I personally am too messy, so I'm hoping that it won't be too hard to like wipe down, you know, like it doesn't stain. This is my first time playing with their makeup, so I don't know how the packaging is going to hold up, like as far as staining goes, because I've had some in the past. I want to say from like Kim K or from e.l.f. They have similar like color packaging, and it gets dirty really easy because I'm a hot ass mess. We're gonna go with 210N. It's like a big wand, which I really like. I guess I'm just gonna put it on my face like this. Okay, that's nice. I think I nailed it on the first try, y'all. All right, let's buff it in. So we have the Liquid Touch Foundation brush, and it's $28. That blended in like butter. That was weird. Ooh. With this foundation brush, you just want to put it all over your body, you know what I'm saying? Look at that quick transformation, you guys. I'm one color. Wow. I'm hoping that it doesn't look too light on camera because honestly, in person, it matches my neck and the rest of my body just fine. So I would definitely consider this foundation a light to medium coverage. Very light building, because I feel like if I continue to add more, I'm going to move the makeup. So unless I have to wait a lot longer for it to dry and then add another layer, I don't know how that works, but it just doesn't look like I could continue to build without removing or moving the makeup that I already have on my face. So I'm not gonna even do that. Next up is the Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer. These are $19. So I'm just going to put this right underneath. Whoa! I feel like I only needed like a little dot of this. Uh-oh. I'm going to be using the Liquid Touch Concealer brush, and this is $16, and you're just going to go straight right underneath the eyes. I rarely use, you see what I did there? Concealer brushes, or smaller brushes if it doesn't have to do with like my eyeshadow. It's nice because you're actually being able to feather it out and buff it out really good. To be honest with you guys, I just used a sponge. They did also include a sponge, and it looks like this. Now the texture of this sponge is different for me. It's really interesting. It's not as like soft as your beauty blenders would be. Don't like saying negative things, guys. If I were to change this, I would just make it all smooth. I would just bevel the edges, which is just smooth out the edges. I mean, I guess this would turn into a beauty blender if you did that, but I don't like the sponge, to be honest with you guys. For someone who really doesn't typically use brushes, I'm kind of obsessed with this concealer brush. This is the Blot and Go Touch Up Kit. This is $26 and it's a refillable compact. So the powder would go here. I don't have any powder, so I can't show you guys that. All there is some blotting paper here. These little tiny sheets. And pretty much what you would do is you would put it on your face whenever you're shiny, and it'll come up as like see-through or transparent because it's grabbing the oil off your face. This is really cool to have handy if you're oily on your face, especially like me. Next up are going to be these Soft Pinch Liquid Blush, and they're $20 a piece. They're available in 8 shades, and I received 4. I think I'm gonna try out Joy. This is similar packaging to the concealer, except the applicator looks like a lipstick head. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the back of my hand because I don't know how this performs, so I don't wanna put it on my face and then ruin the makeup I just applied. So just a little bit, and what you could do is use your fingers or use a brush. I don't wanna ruin my foundation brush by putting blush on it, so I'm just gonna use my fingers. I'm scared. I don't use cream blushes, so this is exciting and also scary at the same time. So as you guys can see, like, I didn't put very much. This is me messing with it with my fingers. You don't need a lot of this product, so you know it's gonna last you some time. And kind of like the way that it looks on my skin, I need to finish. Okay, hold on. Before we get excited, let's finish the look. Next, I'm gonna throw on some highlighter, and the highlighters that we are playing with today, the Positive Light Liquid Luminizer, and they're $22 a piece. They come in 8 shades, and I received 4. I am going to go with a pinkier rosy color. This is called Enchant. Again, the same applicator tip, so I didn't even go in for more. I'm just gonna use whatever was on the applicator tip and my fingertips. Apply it there. See, you see that? And a little bit on the side too. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put it where I would typically put my highlight. I want to put a little bit more. I'm obsessed with this. Sorry, the video's over. Just kidding. But seriously though, I think it looks so pretty. I need to wash my hands because I'm making a mess. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and then we're gonna move on to lips. I'm excited about this part. We have this pencil here. It's called their Brow Harmony, 8 different colors, and I received ash gray. I'm hoping that this is not too gray. I know I have black hair, but I might need something more brown. Typically I like to have like a spoolie brush to pull my eyebrows up, which on the other side of it has the brow gel. So I'm just going to scrape off any of the product and put my eyebrows up, because I need to see where I'm bald. Yeah, I think it might be too dark. I think the color I received was too dark, but let's continue. No, I can't do it. Can you see how my hairs are sticking up? I love that. That's what I want to do, but I just feel like my eyebrows just might be too harsh because it's too dark. Now that I have my eyebrows and my eyeshadow like quickly placed, I'm going to be going in with the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes, and this is a matte liquid liner, and it looks like this. It's cute because it looks like a pen, but it's not. The other side is the actual applicator. I am 36, hold on, and my eyelids are going down with other parts of my body. It's fine. What I like to do is like press it onto my face like a stamp. This little stamp right here That's gonna be my guide of where actually how far I want the eyeliner wing to be. I naturally have like round bubble eyes, and when I create this line, it gives me like a different shape. Do you guys see that? Now I'm going to be applying some mascara. I didn't receive any mascara, so I don't know if there's mascara in this collection, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put on one of my favorites. This is from It Cosmetics. It's called Lash Blowout. Next is With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. They look like little lipsticks, and they have like a really cool, I love the packaging on these. These are not gonna roll off the table, which is nice. It comes in 8 colors, and I received 4. I'm gonna go with the color Praise, and it has some color to it. I'm just hoping that it's not too orange on my lips, but here we go. That's nice. One thing my ex always made fun of me about is the fact that I always had crusty lips. I'm dehydrated and I drink water all freaking day. Back up. On top of the lip balm, I'm going to be using a lip Souffle matte lip cream. In the collection, they have 12. I received 6. I'm going to be using the shade Brave. I just keep running over my lips because it feels good. So although it's matte, it's super hydrating and it's really slick. Like, I don't feel like I'm gonna have dried, crusty lips like I always do. I also need to get my teeth whitened. And to finish off the entire look, I'm gonna be using some of the setting spray. This is the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist 4-in-1 mist. It's $24, and it's a glow boosting mist that hydrates, primes, sets, and refreshes skin. It smells good. Girl, like, let me fix my hair, put on a hat or something. My favorite thing about this entire collection, to be honest with you guys, is the fact that everything is very subtle. If I get closer, you can still see some of the darkness of my under eyes peek through. You can see some of the texture of my skin, but this is like how I look. And this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. And like always, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already joined my family. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye!